Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting the basics right. Install the newest Psx2 build and load the legal Ps2 BIOS. Once done, update your GPU and CPU drivers and close heavy background apps so the emulator can use full CPU threads. Next, choose a renderer, Direct 3D11 or OpenGL, then set internal resolution to 2x as a baseline. Make sure V-Sync off for testing. These steps remove common bottlenecks and let you see true performance before deeper tuning. Now you drill into performance. Enable MTVU multi-threaded micro VU to use extra cores, then incrementally apply EE/IOP and VU speed hacks, small changes first. Configure GSDX for multithreading and test native versus upscaled resolutions. Higher upscales cost GPU time. Set the frame limiter to 60 FPS or the game target, and use skip draw to remove slow shadow effects where needed. If stuttering persists, bind Psx2 to specific CPU cores and disable hyperthreading in BIOS temporarily to test gains. Finish by applying per-game fixes and any official patches. Some games require specific hacks or widescreen patches to run smoothly. You should test multiple scenes while monitoring FPS and CPU/GPU temps. Make notes and revert any speed hack that causes graphical glitches. If performance still lags, switch renderer, open GLVS Direct 3D, and try lowering internal resolution or disabling MTVU to isolate the issue. Quick troubleshooting tip. If stutter continues, try the latest development build and reset settings to default, then reapply changes one at a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.